G'day and welcome back to the channel. So I had a pretty cool package arrive at the office this week, something I've been waiting on for a couple of weeks. It arrived early this week and I just popped by to pick it up. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, a lot of packaging. Now, in case you can't tell, that is an exhaust system. A very well packaged one. Alright, so I've taken the muffler out of the wrapping, and I gotta say, it looks amazing. Titanium just has such a different look to it compared to stainless steel. And this is epic. It's actually stamped with my name. It's actually personalized. So GTI 7, obviously for a Mark 7 GTI with my name, and of course Crystal is the brand. Crystal exhaust. So why get a titanium exhaust? It's a titanium exhaust. Why wouldn't you? But seriously, so I've said before, catback exhaust pretty much nets you no extra performance, except if it's going to be lighter. So obviously less weight on a car, better power to weight, but it does come at a price. Titanium exhausts are generally pretty expensive, so you pay for that. But the other factor is the whole driver engagement factor. So I've always thought that the GTI Clubsport sounds really good, like it sounds better than a stock GTI. So the muffler on it is freer flowing than the regular GTI unit. It's got a nice little burble to it from the outside. From the inside, you can barely hear it. It is pretty quiet still, even when you get on it. So having it a little bit louder would be really nice, just for that whole driver engagement, right? You want it to put a smile on your face every time you hear it. But I also don't want it to be too obnoxious. I definitely don't want it to drone, so that's why the idea of a valved titanium exhaust really is the best of both worlds. So you can have it quiet, you can have it loud, and you save weight. Right? There's really no way to lose here, except obviously your wallet is a lot lighter. But yeah, look, I can't wait to get it fitted. So I reckon that will be, I'll get back to you when we're fitting it.